Overview. In most cases, entrepreneurs choose to establish and operate their business in a corporation. A corporation is an independent legal entity owned by stockholders. This means that the corporation itself, not the stockholders that own it, is held legally responsible for the actions and debts it incurs, and receives the profits it generates. The corporation holds all the assets and liabilities used or created in the business, employs the people that operate the business, and enters into contracts with other parties such as customers, suppliers, and service providers. Think of a corporation as a bucket that holds all of the different stuff that relates to the operation of a business. Unless they elect special treatment with the Internal Revenue Service, corporations are required to pay federal, state, and in some cases, local taxes on the profits they earn. When corporations pay their income to their stockholders, called a dividend, the stockholders pay tax on the amount of the dividend they receive. The advantages of operating your business as a corporation include limited liability for the stockholders, the ability to raise capital through the sale of stock, corporate tax treatment, and attractiveness to employees and investors. How to form a corporation. A corporation is formed under the laws of the state in which it is registered. To form a Delaware corporation, you will need to file a certificate of incorporation with the Delaware Department of State, Division of Corporations. The certificate of incorporation includes the name of the corporation, the name and address of the registered agent of the corporation in Delaware, a general statement of the purpose of the corporation, the number of shares of stock the corporation is authorized to issue, the par value or nominal value of each share, and sometimes additional information. By filing the certificate of incorporation, the corporation is officially incorporated and comes into existence. However, there are several other important documents that should be enacted, and other action that must be taken to ensure that the corporation is able to start conducting its business. First, the person who signed the certificate of incorporation appoints the first members to the corporate's board of directors. The first official act of the new board of directors is to have a meeting or sign a consent in lieu of a meeting to take the action necessary to finish the organization of the corporation. This action normally includes the appointment of officers, the issuance of stock to the founders and initial investors, the adoption of bylaws, and authorizing the opening of bank accounts. In addition, the corporation should obtain an employer ID number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service and ensure that all founders and employees sign confidentiality and invention assignment agreements and have all stockholders sign a stockholders agreement. Congratulations! After doing all this, you have formed your corporation.